Hey everybody, this is Matt. I'm the shipping manager here at SCW. My job is to make sure that you get all of your packages in a timely fashion. Today I'm here to talk to you about the Radius Fisheye camera. The Radius is our 360-degree fisheye. It comes with a 1.8mm lens that allows you to cover a huge amount of ground with just a single camera. This camera comes in 12 megapixel resolution, or you can set up multiple streams for ePTZ or Panorama fisheye split. The Radius is outdoor IP66 rated and comes with multiple wall, pendant, or pole mounting options. It also comes with a built-in mic and speaker and gives you up to 65 feet infrared. This camera supports plug and play with any of our Admiral line of NVRs, and it's also backed by a 3-year warranty and a lifetime free US-based tech support. SCW's team is here to help you with any of your video surveillance needs. We do complimentary floor plans, customized quotes, and we're here to answer any of your questions about our products. Give us a call at 866-414-2553, extension 1 for sales. Thanks for watching.